Hello guys. First thing first, sound check. If you are joining us, let me know if you can hear me. So we can do a little bit of analysis and possibly hunt for trade setups and then take those trades. And also let me know where you're joining me from. And then the three pairs or instruments you want me to take a look at. I'm going to analyze them. And then we just move as we move, okay? I'll be going through indices, currencies, and probably crypto if possible. Then we're going to look at if there's any trade setup and how I prepare myself before I begin the trading day. So this is Raba Fx. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you share this to your friends. Let them come and join and learn how to become a forex trader or a successful forex trader. Because anyone can be a forex trader, only few are successful. So I want to be transparent here with you guys. If I take a trade, I'm going to show you that I took that trade. So I'm waiting for more people to come in. Seems like I get lesser traffic from the New York session than London session. So if you're in the house, let me know if the audio is good. Let me know if the audio is good, okay? And don't forget to drop your pairs, currency pairs or instrument you want me to analyze. Where is the market heading to? We are going to look at where is gold running to. I will show you my trade on gold, but I'm already out of the trade and gold is still moving to the north. So let me get you in the chat. Bring your comment in the chat, okay? Respond in the chat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from. Respond in the chat. Okay, I am. If you can see the screen there, I said, can you hear me? Okay, let the chat keep coming in. Yeah, Christopher Akigbe says, good afternoon, Raba Fx. Good afternoon, Christopher. And please don't forget, share this video to your social media. Okay, please do that now. Share it to your social media so that, let me see if I will get more traction. Okay, more people should come in and join. Share this to your social media, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere, Instagram, all right, Twitter. Let them know that Raba Fx is cooking something good. Yeah. So Christopher, congratulations to Christopher. He passed his prop account. So let me use this avenue to say congratulations. Then Alex says, yes, the audio is good, Mr. Raba. You are welcome. Euro USD and Euro USD and Euro JPY. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Christopher says gold and GU. Gold and GU. Okay, gold and GU. Noted. Christopher says okay. And Christopher says thank you, Mr. Raba Fx. All right. We are going to go straight into today's business. We want to trade the New York session. And if you know me, oh boy. If you know me, I trade using the opening price. All right. I trade using the opening price. I think I still have some people in the chat. Mox says, hello, everyone. Please, let's check US oil. Okay, US oil, no problem. I will take a look at that. I will take a look at US oil. Mox, by the way, congratulations to South Africa. You guys qualified for the World Cup. Nigeria will go and play the playoff, intercontinental playoff. Congratulations. At least we have a longer way to go to the World Cup. How is South Africa at the moment? Okay, without wasting time, let's go into the business of the day. As more and more comment comes in, I'm going to come here to see them and chat with you. Okay. So the request there, the first one is gold and GU, I believe. No, Euro USD and Euro JPY. All right, so let's go to Euro USD. So whenever you are trading, okay, before you do anything, always do what is called a top-down analysis. A top-down analysis is simply you going through multiple time frames. I limit mine to just 3: the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. Now, what am I looking at in this different time frame? All I'm looking at is simply direction. I'm looking at the direction because I want to be at the right side of the market. I don't want to fight against the market. Okay? Where the market is going, that is where I want to be. I don't want to predict. I want to react to the direction of the market. So if the market is bullish at any of this time frame, it will help me frame a trade setup to know if I'll be going bullish or bearish. All right. So the first thing is to look at the monthly. Have you seen the opening price here? This is the continuation opening price. A very dangerous and stubborn area where price rejected from, and that rejection led to a push in price all the way to this point here. All right. And in my previous video, I think live stream or thereabout, I talked about how bearish I am on Euro USD. But as things changed, so first thing first, I'm going to put a line here. Or change this to my monthly line. The purple line are simply my monthly opening price line. All right. So we have these two monthly levels that I want price, or that price may react from. All right. The first one is this. This is the first obstacle against the direction of the sellers. When you are selling here, this opening price here are simply the first support that will hinder your sell trade, and hopefully this could be your target. All right. But the market has not changed yet. So going to the weekly, I'm going to take off this. Okay. Remember, I said the market has not changed yet. The monthly is still bearish. All right. However, we are somewhere around there on the weekly, but this level is not that strong because there are multiple rejections now. We have multiple rejections here. Okay. So I'm still going to favor the bearish move, which is if price can come up to this level, I'll be looking to sell. And by the way, for some time, I've not been trading the currency. All right. So that is why price came in here and pushed down. This was the opportunity. I believe you are learning. Okay. Even if I didn't take this trade, you can use this analysis to improve your trade. Okay. When price comes in here, these are areas where you start thinking, should I buy, should I sell? Then depending on your criteria, your entry criteria, you can decide to pull the trigger for a sell. So let's go to the daily. One thing I can see is that we have two levels on the weekly. There are multiple levels anyway, but the extreme high, the intermediate high, and then the low is just these two. Yeah. In between, we have this quasi-bodo. All right. So what am I saying here? I won't be surprised if markets start giving me range around these lines. All right. But let's look at the daily and then finalize how our setup would be. So for me, I can take a trade here. I'll open a trade here. So going to my account. Euro USD. I should have Euro USD, yeah. So this should be Euro USD. What's happening to my Euro USD? Is it poor network? What's going on? You know what? Let me close this and open it again. So let's go back to trading view. I don't know why it's not showing. So we have a sell opportunity there. I don't know why my I don't know what's happening. This is a messed up. Okay. Okay, I think I have to look for Euro USD, yeah, and then drop it in the chat. I don't know what's wrong. I think my system is tired. Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. For some reason, my MT5 or my broker is misbehaving. Okay, I'm just going to sell. This is Euro USD. I don't know. Has it? All right, let's just go on with the analysis. For some reason, this man refused to. Okay, I've sold one standard lot, Euro USD sell. Okay, so let's go back. That was something else. Oh my. So back to trading view. Why am I selling? We are at resistance. I'm going to take this trade as an intraday. We are at resistance here on the daily. Or I can hold the trade for the rest of the day and then see what happens. If we close above it, I'll take the loss and probably price want to push higher before selling. Okay, so that is the idea behind the trade. Okay, that's the idea behind the trade. We have a 1 minute. However, the daily is bullish. The daily is bullish. Hopefully, we will resume the long-term direction from here. Hopefully. If I'm wrong, if it closes above, I'll take the loss and then allow look for another trade. All right. So this is a sell trade I'm looking at. This I will hold for the rest of the day. All right. I'm going to hold it for the rest of the day till this candle closes. If it rejects, then we'll be heading down. If it closes above, I will reconsider my areas and then probably, since the daily is bullish, a push down to this point, yeah, I may take some of my profit out, and then when it pushes down to any form of resistance, yeah, support, any form of support, those are the areas I'll be taking some profit out, because from what I'm seeing, markets on the daily is bullish, but on the weekly is bearish. So it's always good to look at the daily direction. However, I won't be able to wait till market comes to this point, yeah, before buying. So that's why I'm looking at the sell trade, and I'm moving it to the end of the day. Let's see how it goes. This is more like anticipated trading. Okay, I'm anticipating Euro USD to sell, to change from daily bullish to daily bearish. All right. So this is what I'm looking at. So the next one, according to Alex, is Euro JPY. So let's go to Euro JPY. And don't forget, let's comment and your chat comes in. All right. So Euro JPY on the monthly, this is bullish. From our last analysis, I think this is the area we're trying to get the buy from. Let's go to the daily and see. There we go. And then price push. Quite unfortunate, I didn't trade. Okay, so the monthly time frame here is bullish. I don't need to do anything. We are closing above the reversal opening price, so that it's sign of big strength. We go to weekly. Weekly too is bullish. Let me take off all of this. Weekly is bullish. Let's do daily. This is a buy. Let's go to let me take a buy there. Euro JPY. By the way, most of my trades, I don't take it on my laptop. I take them on my phone. Once I analyze, I take them on my phone. Laptop, this laptop is just for the